Welcome to Peaceful Nest Life, where serenity meets inspiration. Today, we invite you on a magical journey through 25 hidden forest cabins that feel like they have been whispered into existence by nature herself. Nestled deep in the woods, these cozy retreats are more than just shelters. They're soul sanctuaries, each telling a quiet story of peace, solitude, and connection with the earth. If you've ever dreamed of escaping the noise of the world, stay with us. These cabins might be calling your name. Tucked away under a canopy of towering pines, our first hidden gem combines rustic design with modern comfort. The warm wood tones, large windows, and surrounding greenery create an atmosphere that is both grounding and rejuvenating. Imagine waking up to birdsong and falling asleep to the sound of wind through the leaves. Unbelievable? Not at all. This is nature's way of offering rest. Our second cabin is perched beside a tranquil creek. Its weathered wooden exterior blends seamlessly into the landscape, as if it's grown there naturally over time. The interior is minimal yet charming, with handmade furniture and soft lighting. This is the kind of place where time slows and stress melts away, perfect for writing, reading, or simply being still. Next, we find a magical A-frame cabin hidden between mossy stones and ferns. This whimsical escape feels like it belongs in a fairy tale. Lanterns hang from trees, and a wooden path leads to a tiny fire pit surrounded by tree stumps. It's the kind of place that reminds us how little we truly need to feel deeply alive. Cabin number 4 is designed for the stargazers. Tucked on a gentle hillside, it features a full glass roof above the sleeping area. Imagine lying in bed, watching the stars move across the sky. It's an unbelievable experience that brings you closer to the universe and your own inner peace. Forest sounds surround you, and there's no rush, only rest. One of the most soulful cabins in our list sits beside a still lake, hidden behind a grove of birch trees. Its reflection on the water looks like a watercolor painting. A small dock invites you to sit, dangle your feet, and let your thoughts drift. The cabin is simple, humble, but its energy is healing. It whispers calm into your heart. In the heart of a foggy woodland, Our next retreat stands strong and silent. The mist rolls over the roof at dawn, creating a mystical atmosphere. Inside, a single wood stove warms the room while hand-woven rugs add color and charm. You don't need Wi-Fi here, just a book, a cup of tea, and a window to the wild. This next hideout is perched at the edge of a mountain forest. With sweeping views of treetops below and a sky that stretches forever, it offers a sense of freedom unlike any other. The design is eco-conscious, built with reclaimed wood and solar energy. Here, you live gently, deeply, and in harmony with everything around you. Our ninth cabin is nothing short of a secret garden. Vines climb its wooden walls, flowers bloom in handmade planters, and bees buzz gently in the sun. It's nature's version of luxury, not in gold and glass, but in petals and peace. Every corner is thoughtfully crafted to make you slow down and breathe fully. At the edge of a dense pine forest stands a treehouse-style cabin raised above the ground. Wooden stairs wind around the trunk, leading you to a cozy loft with panoramic views. This spot is for the dreamers and the adventurers, those who want to feel like kids again, wrapped in the arms of the forest. Close to the northern woods, our next cabin stands in the middle of silence. Snow falls gently here in the winter, while spring brings wild mushrooms and dancing deer. It's designed with Scandinavian simplicity, clean lines, natural light, and open space. It's not just a place to live, it's a place to feel renewed. And finally, Our 12th featured cabin is nestled near a forest waterfall where the soothing sound of water sings day and night. This cabin was hand-built, stone by stone, and radiates grounding energy. No electricity, no noise, just the unbelievable beauty of the natural world and the chance to reconnect with what truly matters. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Peaceful Nest Life for more amazing content. See you in the next video.